this is one of those great to have, why didn't I think of it kind of items. This is the two parts that you get. Here's my scissor jack from my car. If you take this little adapter and you put it over here, oops, put it the wrong way, thread it through, and put these back on it. I don't even know why you need to make it tight. And then plug this 1/2-inch socket adapter in there. Get out your drill, or in this case, an impact wrench, and look. So, maybe an impact wrench isn't the best. Drill might give you a little bit more control, but awesome item. Instead of using that stupid jack handle in here, you've got this little deal and you can leave it on here. I think this is awesome. But again, might try a drill to drive it go slower.